In today's video, I'll show you how to use the TradingView Pine Editor so you can start creating your own indicators and strategies with ease. Whether you're completely new or already comfortable with charts, the Pine Editor gives you the power to customize your trading experience in a way that fits your style. Start by opening TradingView and heading into any chart. This will be your workspace. Once your chart is loaded, look toward the bottom of the screen and open the Pine Editor tab. This panel is your coding area where you can write, edit and test scripts that bring new tools directly onto your charts. With the editor open, click the New button and select a blank indicator to begin. TradingView will automatically load a simple starter script to help you get going. You can rename your indicator, adjust inputs, and modify any part of the script using the built-in functions. Even if you're not a coder, don't worry, the editor highlights errors and offers helpful suggestions as you work. When you're happy with what you've created, save your script using the save icon, give it a name, and then add it to your chart. Your new indicator will appear instantly and you can customize it further by double-clicking on its name to open the settings panel. Here you can adjust values, colors, line styles and visibility to match your trading setup. If you want alerts, simply right-click the indicator or open the alert panel and choose conditions like price crossing a line. Choose how you want to receive the alert and save it. Anytime you want to edit your script, just return to the Pine Editor, make your changes, save, and reapply it to the chart. And if you need to remove it, right-click its name in the chart and select the Remove option. Your Pine Editor is now ready to help you build custom tools that match your trading style. If this guide helped, make sure to like and subscribe for more TradingView tips.